Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your privacy with DuckDuckGo easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in DuckDuckGo's website URL www.duckduckgo.com. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, notice the search bar in the center of the screen. You can start by entering any search query in the search bar. Hit enter again to view the search results. To enhance your privacy, select the Privacy tab located at the top of the page. Explore features like personal data and how DuckDuckGo works. Next, consider installing the DuckDuckGo browser extension. To do this, search for DuckDuckGo extension in your preferred browser. Select the appropriate link to download the extension. Follow the prompts to add the extension to your browser. Once installed, look for the DuckDuckGo icon in your browser's toolbar. Click on the icon to access privacy settings. Adjust preferences to ensure maximum privacy while browsing. Now, let's use DuckDuckGo for a basic search. Enter a search term again in the search bar. Notice how the results prioritize privacy-focused sites. To further protect your data, enable the Use HTTPS feature on the DuckDuckGo website. This will secure your connection. Regularly clear your search history through the settings available in the DuckDuckGo menu. Stay informed about privacy news through DuckDuckGo's blog. Feel free to use the app version on your mobile phone for convenience. Visit your app store and search for DuckDuckGo. Download the app and follow the easy setup process. With the app, you can enjoy privacy-focused searching on the go. Remember to keep the app updated for the latest features. Now you are ready to safely explore the internet with DuckDuckGo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.